Hi friend, in this video I'm going to show you the detail about OBS Studio software. We will see the details like what OBS software is, what it is used for, and how to install it on Windows. And we will also see some of the queries that we generally have when we start using this software. Okay, so let's start with the first thing, what is OBS software is. OBS is a free and open source software for video recording and live streaming. That means we can record video and we can do live streaming as well using this software. It is a free software. There is no cost of using this software. Okay, a couple of months back I was looking for a free software that I can use for recording the video on my laptop. I tried many free softwares, but most of them were having some kind of limitations. That is why I finally decided to use this software, because it is completely free and it is an open source and it has a lot of features, and there is no limitation on the number of videos or any kind of watermarks on the video. So there is no such thing in this software. That is why I decided to use this one. Okay, so let's start with a Google search. OBS Studio. Here you can see some links. obsproject.com is actually the official site of this project, and here you can see some detail. OBS stands for Open Broadcaster Software. It's a free and open source software for video recording and live streaming. And in the right side you can see some more details. It is available for Windows, Mac OS and Linux distributions and BSD. And you can see the language used in developing this software, that is C and C++. And the stable release as of now is 27.1.3, which was released on 4th October 2021. Okay, so let me open this site, the official site. And as I said, it is an open source software. We have a GitHub repo of this software, and here you can see the GitHub repo. Let me open this. So you can see the code of this software as well, as it is an open source software. And here you can see some detail. OBS Studio, a free and open source software for live streaming and screen recording. The latest release as of now is 27.1.3. For previous releases you can click on this link and see the details of previous releases. And the languages used in this project you can see here: C, C++, CMake and some other. And you can see some more details. OBS Studio software designed for capturing, compositing, encoding, recording and streaming video content efficiently. Okay, it is distributed under the GNU General Public License V2. So it is a free software. If you are interested to know more about its code and the issues that is going on, you can refer this and the issues section, what are the issues currently going on. But if you are just focusing on recording the video, then this is not for you. Okay, now let us see some of the queries that, okay, before that let me show you the official site. Here you can see OBS, Open Broadcaster Software, and on this website or site you can get the detail of this software. You can see the details of this software on this page. Okay, and here are links for downloading. Before I start downloading this and show you how to install, let's cover some of the queries that we generally have when we select this software for recording the video. Okay, so these are some of the queries that I found that generally people have when they start or select this software for recording the video or for doing live streaming. So the first one is OBS Studio really free or paid? Is OBS 100% free? Yes, OBS is 100% free software. There is no cost of using this software. Okay, so you can use this software for recording or for live streaming free of cost. Is OBS good for recording? Yes, definitely. OBS Studio is a good choice, at least in the list of free softwares. It's a good choice for recording the video. Can we do live streaming using OBS? Definitely, it is possible to do live streamings like Facebook Live, YouTube Live. You can do those things using live streaming of this software. Can we record any number of videos? Yes, we can record as many videos as you want. There is no limitations on the number of videos that we can record. Does it include any watermark on the recorded video? No, there is no watermark on the video that gets recorded using this software. Does OBS record audio? Yes, OBS records audio as well. We will see this in the next video, how to record a video. Okay, and is OBS good for recording YouTube videos? Yes, definitely. OBS is a good choice for recording the video for YouTube. Is OBS safe to download? Yes, as far as you are downloading it from the official site, it is safe to download and it is safe to use. Is OBS Studio for PC? Is there OBS for Android? So OBS is definitely available for PC, laptop, desktop, tablets, devices like these. But as of now, OBS is not available for Android versions. I mean, it is not available for mobiles. Okay, maybe in future it may be, but currently it is not available for Android or mobiles. Is OBS a video editor? No, OBS is not a video editor. You cannot edit video using OBS software. Is OBS user friendly? Initially you might feel little complex because of its UI and the rich set of features, but as you start using this, you will definitely find it easy to use and you will definitely find it easy to record the video using this software. Is OBS an open source software? Yes, OBS is an open source software. Open source software generally means a software whose code is available for everyone. I mean, it is available on the internet. You can see the code. Okay, there is a GitHub repo of OBS software. You can refer that repository to see the code if you are interested. And is there any limitation on duration of video recording? No, there is no limitation on the duration of the recorded video. You can record as many hours as you want. Is it available for Windows? Is it available for Windows 7? Yes, it is available for Windows and it is available for Windows 7 as well. But the recommendation is to use from Windows 8 and onward, because Windows 7, the support for Windows 7 has been stopped from Microsoft itself. I mean, from the operating side, the Windows 7 support has been stopped from the Microsoft. But if you have Windows 7, you can install the OBS Studio software as well. There is no problem at all. How do you download and install OBS on PC? Okay, let us see how we can download and install OBS software on Windows. I have Windows 10 operating system, so I will show you how to download and install this software on Windows 10. Okay, so as we saw, this is actually the official site of OBS project, and here you can see the links for different operating system: Windows, Mac OS and Linux. In my case, I'm using Windows, so I will click on this, but if you are using any other operating system like Mac OS or Linux, then click on the corresponding link. So let me click on the Windows. Once you click on this, the download will start automatically. Here you can see the download has started. Okay, so and you can refer some of the links here. OBS Studio Quick Start Guide, this is actually the link where you can see how to start using this software, and you can refer this link, OBS Studio Overview, to get some overview about OBS Studio software, and you can refer this links for the community. If you have any query or question, you can discuss this on this community site link. So I have downloaded the software. Here you can see it is an exe file, so you have to double click on this, click next, and here is the location where it will be installed. You can change this by clicking on this link. I will install this on this location itself, so let's click on install. Okay, now let me finish. It will also launch the OBS Studio. Just click on finish. Otherwise you can also start from your start button. You just have to search OBS. Here you can see the link. You can click on this, it will start the OBS Studio software. Okay, once you install the software and start it, the screen of OBS Studio will look something like this. Okay, so this is how you can install the software on your local machine. In the next video we will see how to use this software in order to record the video on your machine. Okay, so that's all about this video. I hope the video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching the video.